for Anchovy, tiny in a line. Silver shadow, shimmer, spooky but fine. B is for Beluga Whale, white as snow. Songs in the deep below. C is for Crab, claws held tight. Click clack echoes in the night. D is for Dugong, drifting slow. Ghostly shapes where dark tides flow. Ooh, ooh, sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. For electric eels, zaps up bright, crackling sparks in the blackened night. F is for flatfish, hiding low, lying where the seagulls go. G is for giant squid, arms so long, whoosh through darkness deep and strong. H is for hammerhead shark, gliding by, cutting through mist with the silent eye. Ooh, ooh, sing with glee, spooky friends under the sea with me. For Isopod, creeping round, scratchy steps on the ocean ground. J is for jellyfish, floating clear like spooky spirits drifting near. K is for killer whale, bold and bright. E calls in the moonless night. L is for lionfish, fins spread wide. Slow spooky dance with striped pride. Boo boo, sing with glee. Spooky friends under the sea with me. For Manatee, gentle and slow, munch the shadows glow. N is for Narwhal, magic horn, ooh, whispers from the deep are born. O is for Octopus, clever and sly, puff of ink as phantoms fly by. P is for Prawn, snap, snap sound, tiny jumps on haunted ground. Boo, 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 sing with glee, spooky friends under the sea with me. Is for Quahog, shell shut tight. Knock knock sounds in the eerie night. R is for Ray, wings so wide, gliding through fog on the spooky tide. S is for Starfish, 5 arms slow, spin spin softly where cold currents go. T is for Blue, surgeon fish sharp and blue, flash of light in the dark and blue. Ooh, boo, boo, boo. Ooh, boo, sing with glee, spooky friends under the sea with me. Is for unicornfish, horn so neat, swish swish fins as shadows meet. V is for Vaquita, small and shy, peekaboo as bubbles rise. W is for Walrus, tusk so grand, brr brr chills through haunted sand. X is for Xantic Sargo, quick and fast, flash flash darts from the spooky past. Sing with glee, spooky friends under the sea with me. Y is for Yeti Crab, fluffy and strange, tap tap claws in a spooky range. Z is for zebra shark, stripes and spots, wiggle through the haunted knots. Ooh, ooh, sing with glee, Halloween fun beneath the sea. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Good